Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm so excited to be back with you today. And today, we're going to be talking about a very important question. Does Novo accept PayPal? Now, I know this might seem like a simple question, but it's actually a really important one, especially if you're considering using Novo for your business banking. Novo is a relatively new bank, but it's quickly gaining popularity among small businesses and entrepreneurs. One of the reasons for its popularity is that Novo offers a number of features that are not available at traditional banks. One of these features is the ability to link your PayPal account to your Novo account. This can be a huge advantage as it allows you to easily transfer money between your accounts. So, does Novo accept PayPal? The answer is yes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your PayPal account to your Novo account. I'll also discuss some of the benefits of doing so. So, let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for a Novo account. If you don't already have a Novo account, you'll need to sign up for one first. This is a very simple process that only takes a few minutes. Once you've signed up for your account, you'll need to verify your identity. This can be done by providing a copy of your driver's license or another government-issued ID. Step 2. Link your PayPal account. Once your account is verified, you can link your PayPal account. To do this, log into your Novo account and click on the Settings tab. From here, click on the Linked Accounts tab. On the Linked Accounts page, click on the Add Account button. Select PayPal from the list of available accounts. Enter your PayPal email address and password. Click on the Link Account button. Once your account is linked, you'll be able to transfer money between your PayPal and Novo accounts. Benefits of linking your PayPal account to your Novo account. There are a number of benefits to linking your PayPal account to your Novo account. Some of the benefits include easy money transfers. You can easily transfer money between your accounts. No fees. There are no fees for transferring money between your accounts. Automatic deposits. You can set up automatic deposits from your PayPal account to your Novo account. Increased security. Linking your PayPal account to your Novo account adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're considering using Novo for your business banking, I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.